Hey guys, it's Charlotte Mabry with Keller Williams again, and today we're going to be talking about, gosh, should you try to pay down your mortgage or not? That's a great question. Hey, it's Charlotte Mabry with Keller Williams, and welcome to my video blog. Today we're going to be talking about whether or not you should aggressively try to pay down your mortgage. You know, before we begin though, if you're thinking of selling right now in today's market, it's an awesome time. We've got some information just for you. If you'll click on the link below that says sellers, it's all you need to know. Maybe you're thinking also of buying. No problem, we've got information on the market for you as well. So if you click on the buyer link below, get you some information on buying in today's market as well. You know, we're going to be talking today about whether or not you ought to try to pay down your mortgage. And, you know, it's a great idea. I'm all about being out of debt. I'm a Dave Ramsey fan. That's awesome. But I would probably suggest you do it in a certain order. You know, if you've already paid off your credit cards that have those high interest rates, that's the first step. You want to get out of debt with credit cards. Be sure you've got all that taken care of. Next step would be to go ahead and build up an emergency fund. You need to have some money set aside, sitting out there just in case, because we all know those just in case things come along. So you want to have some money set aside for an emergency fund. From there, you want to start building for retirement. If you're like me and you've done something a long time, you don't think retirement's ever going to get here, but it does. And so you want to build ahead and get ready for retirement. Next thing is, have you got monies in your college funds for your kids? You need to have those monies set aside and be ready for that as well. And last thing on the list, wow, this is something that I know I've had experiences with in my family, is looking at long-term health care insurance. Maybe that's something that based on your family circumstances you might want to be contributing to. Now, if you're listening to me and you're going, wow, Charlotte, I've done all those things, then absolutely it is a great time to be focused on aggressively paying down your mortgage. There are a couple ways you can do that. You can add some extra money to your principal each month. You can add a lot of money to the principal each month and just put that earmark specifically towards your principal. Now, you know, believe it or not, you can do this every month from day one from buying your house. If you'll take an amortization schedule that you get at closing and look at what your monthly payment is for the month. But across from that, you're going to see how much your principal is. If you write one check for your whole payment and then turn around and do another check that's just for that additional principal amount. Now, we all know in the beginning that principal is very small. So let's say you have a $1,000 monthly payment, but the principal is only like $25. How easy is that? Just to write an additional check for an additional $25, mark on there, hey, this is paid toward the principal. And believe it or not, you can typically pay a 30-year loan off in about 17 or 18 years by doing that. That's a great tool. And if you need information on that, we'd be glad to walk you through that process at any time. I'm Charlotte Mabry with Keller Williams Realty. Thank you so much for taking time to watch, and we'll see you back next time.